Hello friends, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you so much and I love you. Friends, today is 8th July and I gonna share with you a very powerful lesson of the life. You know which kinds of lesson? What is the powerful situation of your life? The powerful situation is and what to say, everybody think about that, everybody know about that, but I knew this powerful situation and this powerful tool in my life before 1 month, and before 1 month to today I'm using the skill, and that I'm not talking about the skill, that is the magic stick, that is the magic stick, and the magic stick is 100% is working. If you are facing any problem in your life, doesn't matter. Today if you watch this video till the very end, i promise you I promise you exactly 100% promise you, your thinking process must be changed. I'm not giving you promise your every problem will be go, it is a fake promise, but one promise I'm going to tell you, I'm going to say you, the promise is your thought process will be changed. Exactly, my dear friends. So do you want to listen to me? What that magic stick, what that magic stick? Okay, so I'm not wasting your time, let's start. The magic stick is, before saying the magic stick, if you want to know very clearly what is that magic stick, I'm going to share with you a very powerful story. Listen to me. This is the very short story, 2-3 minutes. That's that sufficient. But this story will change your clarity. Suppose that do you have? Suppose that you have a mirror, and that mirror has in front top of the mirror lots of dust. So, are you able to see your face in that mirror? Not. First of all, what will you do? You have to clean that mirror. When you will clean that mirror, you will not do any other thing in that particular situation, and immediately you can see your whole body in that mirror, and very clearly you can see. So this story is clarity story. Once upon a time, what happened? Once upon a time, one prisoner, that was the very dangerous, one criminal, and police caught him, and after that judge made decision, uh, kill decision. You will be killed by the, what to say, okay, I can understand. He said, yes, I can understand, you kill me. But after some time, when he was in the uh, prison, one person came. The person was scientist, and he said to prisoner, uh, please, I am going to research, give me a way, give me permission to do the research. He said, which kinds of research? He said, okay. And they talked to each other, and after that the scientist came in front of that prisoner and said, okay, okay, judges told you death punishment, judges gave you death punishment of death. So which kind of death do you like? He said, the criminal said, you hanged me. But the scientist said, no, we will not hang you, and we will not shoot you, we will not give you death, with the any kinds of situation. Only one situation, I have a cobra snake, very dangerous snake, and the snake will die, that the snake will bite you, and after within 1 minute you will be dead. So he said, no, don't do like this, because judges told me kill, the judge give me death of punishment of death. But why are you doing like this? Do you have any kinds of permission? So show me. So the scientist showed him. Okay. After that, after one day, he came to him and said, okay, now are you ready? I'm going to give you death of punishment of death. Which type of? Okay, he very scared. That criminal is scared very much. And the scientist closed his eyes with the black cloths, and after that one person came. Kitik, 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 means shoe sound is coming, and the scientist said, okay, the person is coming, he has a cobra snake, the cobra snake now he is going to bite you, are you ready? Okay. And when he said, immediately two needle, two safety pin pricked his hand. He so much scared, sweating all over the bodies, and exactly within 1 minute the person will be died. My dear friends, do you understand? Do you know about that? What happened in that room? What happened with that criminal? What? Only one thing. But you know already, I know already. What we know? Cobra snake was not there. Only two safety pin pricked that scientist on his hand, and immediately he would be died. That is the exactly tool, that is the exactly safety, what to say, safety, not I would like to say you magic stick. If you use in your day-to-day life, this will be do magic in our life, your life also. What? Imagination. Imagination has power. Imagination has lots of bundles of power to change your thought process. If one time your thought process will be changed, your every life circumstances are going to change. So that's why, my dear friends, this magical stick you have to use. What magical stick? The magical stick is imagination. Whatever you want, that thing you have to imagine. That thing you have to imagine, like that prisoner, and result will come in your life. And this will not happen in a single time of practice. You have to practice some days, some months, and after that you will find the result. I am also finding the result, because I knew this type of magical stick before 1 month. So I think you know all about that. And today's video's message is enough. If you didn't understand, please comment me. I will make this video again, because today's I am very hurry. I'm very I don't have more time to make the videos, because I want to go any other person's house. So that's why I'm making this video very fast. So I'm really very sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.